Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a computer. First, ensure your computer meets the basic requirements for a smooth experience. You will need a reliable internet connection and a modern web browser installed. A computer with at least 4 GB of RAM and a current operating system will provide the best performance. This preparation ensures you can enjoy the platform without any technical interruptions. After confirming your setup, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Look for the prominent button that says Play or Download to initiate the Roblox player download. Once the small installation file finishes downloading, simply run it and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation typically takes only a few moments, setting up everything you need to begin playing games. Before diving into games, you will need to create a free account, which is a straightforward process. On the Roblox homepage, locate the Sign Up section and carefully enter your birthday, a unique username, and a strong password. Be sure to use a username that does not reveal personal information and remember your password in a safe place. This step is crucial for saving your progress and customizing your experience. With your account ready, you are now set to explore the vast universe of Roblox games. Browse through various categories like popular or recommended to find something that sparks your interest. Click on a game title to view its details, then simply press the large green play button to join the action. The Roblox player will automatically launch, connecting you directly to your chosen game world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.